All right, so this is a suggestion via Discord. This one sounds wild, guys. Let's jump into it. Let's do it.
Mr. Villa,
Yes, ma'am.
are you wearing that headdress because that's your religion, or is there something else going on?
What are you talking? My durag?
Yeah, you need to
Jesus
take that
Christ.
off. I don't know where everybody thinks they are, but you're in court.
Right.
How long is it gonna take your
Okay.
client to remove her do-rag and dress appropriately and be ready for court, Mr. Myrick?
Oh, no. Honestly, I thought that was kind of
What do you think that was, bro?
native scarf.
A
or
native
something on her
scarf.
head, but
Oh, okay.
maybe it wasn't.
Bro, it's not. It's a do-rag.
All
I
right.
thought it was okay
I'll
to
do it.
wear it because I was in court. I was in my house.
You're in the
Oh, there's
courtroom
Someone
right
told me that I
now.
had to dress properly in my house, so I wasn't aware of that. Sorry, that's my fault.
No, you're in a courtroom. And honestly, I don't know why anyone would want to be seen in
In
public
public?
with a do-rag.
Bro, I say this all the time. Like when I go through like the grocery stores, I see people in bonnets and I'm like, bro, why? Right? Like keep that in the house. Right? Guys, I'm sick of it. But either way,
That's what we do. Parades. It's the Black culture.
that's what we do.
Excuse me, time out. I'm Black, and guess what? I'm not wearing a do-rag on
Nope.
the screen because I'm in a courtroom. Not only am I not wearing a do-rag, I'm not picking up unauthorized uses or criminal cases.
Oh, she's
So,
fatigued,
please,
guys.
Don't try to tell
100%.
me what's
That's
happening
not
with the
true.
Black
That's
culture,
me. So,
because honestly, I believe
we're not comparing and contrasting. I'm talking
I'm
about me,
older
not
than
you.
you, and I
That's
know
the question.
more
I
about
told
the
you.
Black
No matter
culture
about
than you,
my
and I
mindset.
respect the Black culture by remembering that my ancestors were slaves, and I'm not going out picking up criminal cases. So this is what we're gonna do with yours, Mr. Myrick.
Oh, this is
Since
yeah.
she wanna be all
Yeah.
hard,
This is gonna be good.
she can be in court. So this is being recalled tomorrow, and she'll be in court. Thank you.
Okay. No, well,
See you in court tomorrow at 1:30. It's the 187 District Court, 4th floor, 300 De La Rosa.
Okay.
And know that you're not allowed to wear a do-rag in court.
Right.
And no, do-rags are not Black culture. Do-rags have been invented recently. So everybody go get your wrap on.
Jesus Christ. Listen. Okay, firstly, under no circumstance are you going to talk to a judge like that, all right? And she was just completely ready. She embodied every single thing that I think there are some people that's, they talk about regarding ghetto culture. Is it all Black people? Bro, no, I'm Black. She's Black. We're both Boyds, bro. All right? First of all, but that's not the point. The point is it the point? I don't know. Maybe. That's not the point, okay? She's embodying every single thing ghetto that even other Black people look at, and everyone's like, nah, bro, that's not it. That is trash. Why are you displaying yourself like this? All right? Why are you conducting yourself like this?
See you at 1:30, Mr. Myrick. Deputy Laura, Deputy Mejia,
Yes, Judge.
regardless of what she believes to be Black culture, do not allow her in the courtroom with the do-rag on.
Yes, Judge.
And if she's not dressed appropriately for court, then we will send her home so she can become dressed appropriatly.
Yeah. 'Cause,
Yes,
I mean,
ma'am.
obviously she
Now I'm
has
gonna have to
no,
start giving
you know.
history lessons, Brenna.
Okay.
Young Sutherland Trevino, is she dressed appropriately, court, without a do-rag on her head?
Yes, ma'am.
Calling 2021 CR 0666, State of Texas versus Faith Aaron Sutherland Trevino. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state,
Marcus Sanders.
for the defense?
James Marat for defendant.
Mr. Trevino, I'm showing you a document entitled Court Admonishments. Did you review those documents with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you electronically sign it in all the appropriate places?
I cannot hear you. Yeah?
Okay, first of all, it's
Everybody's
not
a
yeah,
little
it's either
spicy.
yes or no. Second of all, could you get into a stationary position and stop the swaying back and forth?
I said yes, ma'am. I never said yeah.
No, you said yeah, because the court reporter has taken down everything that everyone is saying. So in this courtroom, it's either yes or no. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
What you're charged with is unauthorized use of a vehicle. That's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility.
Okay.
Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
I didn't
ma'am.
hear.
Nobody heard her.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you not speak up? Is there an issue?
Oh, I said yes, ma'am, like 3 times.
No, you didn't. And here's the thing. You need to speak up and you need to stop swaying. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
You were on this Zoom yesterday talking about do-rags were part of Black culture. Well, let me just tell you this.
Oh, she's holding a grudge. That's the level of disrespect you put on her courtroom, bro.
Swaying, not saying yes or no, that's not a part of the Black culture. That's just you
Right.
doing silly things while you're on Zoom, and the court will not be tolerating it. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, I'm going to show you what's entitled plea bargain page. Did you review that page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea bargain agreement, the state is requesting a $1,000 fine, recommending deferred adjudication. There's to be no contact with Shakaria or Shakira Baker, Shukria or Shukia.
Wow. Got it.
Did you understand that to be the plea bargain agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, I'm showing you outside the plea bargain agreement, the state is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 2 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 120 hours community service, restitution, and CATS 1 and 2. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Basically,
Into the office.
Basically, if you continue to piss me off, I am under no circumstance going to follow these recommendations, bro. You're going underneath the jail.
This is charged. How do you plead? Guilty, not
With
guilty,
you.
or no
Take
contest?
your do-rag with you.
Are we proceeding with sentencing?
No objection to that. We hope so, yeah.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Well, in the fact that she's really on her own and
Okay.
she's doing her best. I think
Stealing people's cars?
she just has to be careful of the company she keeps.
Right.
But she
Like, guys, try not to accidentally steal someone's car, guys.
doesn't have, to my knowledge, alcohol or issues at this time. Perhaps a little bit of some mentoring would be helpful for her in obtaining stable employment.
Ms. Trevino, how old are you?
I'm 18.
Oh, she's young, bro.
If you're tested today and know you're going to be tested today, what are the results going to be?
Okay, that changes a little bit.
Positive.
This much.
For what?
Um,
And what else?
That's it.
Who are you living with?
Myself.
How far did you go in school?
I dropped out 9th grade.
Why?
Christ.
Because I just was going through things and I wanted to make my money.
All right. So dropping
Okay.
out of school, I think we can put a checkbox by that that's not a part of the Black culture.
I'm going back, so
What?
Well, going back and going back are
Oh.
two different things. You're not going back. You're not there.
I am there. I got my computer. I already went back. I go to CAN.
What did she just say? I have no idea.
I don't know neither. Just excuses. Listen. All right. So based off what I'm hearing right now, I think some things are starting to make a little bit more sense now. Initially, I'm thinking she's at least like, bro, 27, like 31, like fully baked into like this culture completely of absolute filth and ghetto-ness, guys, right? But I think at the age of 18, she may actually have the ability to be saved from the absolute hood ratchetness, guys. Okay, I think she may be. The fact that she's kind of on her own right now at 18, the fact that she dropped out of school, I understand why the attorney is basically like suggesting that some type of mentorship may be a good option, but she also has to kind of want it, right? And obviously, she may not even have the ability to basically display the fact that she wants it, because based off of all the things that she has said and her temperament, the tonality of her voice, it says she has known nothing but ghetto hood ratness, guys. That's it. That's all she has known. You can potentially change someone and show them like, hey, listen, that is an irrelevant thing to be. It's going to get you nowhere but the grave or in jail. Okay, so so maybe you don't need to maintain that and then say black culture is legitimately just that. Are you crazy? Uh, I think she still needs to go to jail for a little bit, right? And then I think she should come out. And then we can kind of look at some type of mentorship because, again, she is young enough, I think, to learn new things, if that makes any sense. 18, she's an adult, but she's still young-minded.
It's off topic anyway. That's off topic.
Okay, see, I think this is what you don't understand. As a condition of your deferred adjudication, I can have you taken into custody, and then you can get on topic at the Bexar County Jail. Whatever question I ask you is on topic.
I go to school, so I answer your question.
What did you just say?
The attitude is crazy. Nah, never mind, bro. I'm over it.
So that somebody can understand.
I'm over it, bro.
Again, that's something that's not a part of the Black culture where we can't understand what each other is saying. So where are you at?
That's ghetto
This
culture.
girl's attitude is brutal, just pure disrespect packaged in a smirk. You can practically see Judge Boyd holding back from slamming the gavel just to shut her down. Honestly, the patience level here should qualify as a judicial superpower. And it's not even just about the rudeness. When you're standing before a judge, every word you say is essentially under oath to your own character. And the way she's acting, it screams contempt without the paperwork.
It is
If
contempt.
it were me in that robe, she'd be stacking up contempt charges like parking tickets. The law gives judges wide discretion in maintaining order, and this is a textbook example of someone begging for that hammer. It makes you wonder if she even understands the stakes, or if she thinks the courtroom is just a stage for her attitude. The craziest part is, one wrong word here could literally affect sentencing, and she doesn't even care. You can't teach respect in 10 minutes of court, but you can definitely teach consequences. So is Judge Boyd showing compassion here, or is she just letting the system get walked on?
Since you're saying you go to school,
Ninth grade.
where
Both?
are you
No.
attending school?
This is I think she's trying to show compassion pretty much based off of the thought of mentorship, because obviously this person that we're encountering, right, is far gone, and many people within like the inner cities are absolutely far gone, inundated with like the worst culture in human history.
Texas can?
What is your answer to that question?
I'm attending San Antonio Pat.
How long have you been there?
I just started this year, so probably like, I think I've been at Can 3 months.
How are you supporting yourself?
I'm getting unemployment. I make money moves.
I
My
make
hustle is worth that. That's how I pay my bills.
Hustle is
I make side jobs. I do side jobs to pay my bills.
Okay, let's back up.
You can't make this up, guys.
First, you're saying you make money moves.
Make money moves. I hustle.
Don't know what that is. And then you say you're hustling. What do you mean by hustling? What exactly
Do
are
you
you
know how to
doing?
talk to people?
Body wash. I sell makeup. I do like electronic stuff on the side with people. That type of stuff, like side jobs.
Electronic
getting
stuff on
makeup
the
from,
sides.
I got connects. My girlfriend. She gave it to me and I said it.
You got
Where did she get it from? Is she taking it from Ulta Beauty, bro? Where's she getting it from? Come on, bro. How do you can't make this up, guys?
connects. Here's the
Connect.
thing.
This is wild.
People, could we all pretend, even if it's not true?
Right.
Let's pretend like we have formal education.
Please.
That we've went to school.
Please.
And let's stop using slang. Let's start speaking in complete sentences.
I don't think she
And
has
every
the
complete
ability.
sentence must have at least two things, a noun and a verb, at the very least. So let's try doing that, and let's be better. You're going to get a job. If you're living by yourself, you need to be employed.
Get a job, because right now I'm getting unemployment. I've been having issues with the unemployment, so that's kind of been an issue. So I'll probably end up back with a physical job like McDonald's, for example.
How about you just go get a
No,
job?
I mean, what I'm telling you is
Like,
you're
right now.
going to have a job.
Yeah,
Collecting unemployment means, the very definition of it means
It's the midway
you don't
point.
have employment because you're unemployed.
Right.
And the 187, you're on probation, you will have employment. That's going to be $1,000 fine. No, I'm not probating it. 2 years deferred adjudication. There's to be no contact with Shakira Baker.
Whatever.
And who are these people you were with in this vehicle?
My friends and my siblings.
All right. 2 years deferred adjudication. There's to be no contact with Ms. Baker, Abel Ramos, Nathaniel Mejia, Priscilla Salazar, Amber Rocha, Jennifer Rocha, and Sharon Riles. There's to be weekly Zoom reporting.
So all of her friends and
proof
siblings?
Of employment within 30 days.
I agree. They probably like her.
Rebecca, it needs to be a real job where she's getting a real paycheck and paying real taxes. 120 hours community service restitution.
Okay.
Hats 1 and 2. I'm going to want field visits at least 2 times per month at wherever she's staying. And I want it to be random. Rebecca, is there anything else she needs? All right, the court is calling 2021 CR 0666, State of Texas versus Faith Aaron Sutherland Trevino. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Joe Ray Garcia.
For the defense?
Jeff Mulliner for Faith Aaron Sutherland Trevino.
And are you Ms. Sutherland Trevino?
Yes, ma'am.
Ms. Sutherland Trevino, I'm going to show you what's entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review this document with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Faith Aaron Sutherland Trevino on deferred adjudication in 2021 CR 0666 for the offense of unauthorized use of a vehicle on March 30th, 2021 for a period of 2 years and extended for 1 year? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
State?
Violated condition number 2 on or about the 12th day of November, 2021 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Faith Aaron Sutherland Trevino, did then and there test positive for in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that, true or not true?
True.
Ms. Sutherland Trevino, did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2? The court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 2 true. Is that an agreement?
Yes, Your Honor. We ask that the court adjudicate the defendant, revoke probation, sentence the defendant under 1244 of the Penal Code to a sentence term of 30 days, Bexar County Jail. And if it please the court, this judgment be satisfied.
30 days.
Ms. Sutherland Trevino, are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, the court will follow your agreement. As previously stated, the court is finding violation of condition number 2 true. Court will grant the motion, find you guilty, not grant you community supervision, sentence you to 30 days in the Bexar County Jail under 12.44. Court will find that the judgment is satisfied. Showing you what's entitled trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you electronically sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am, I do.
If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you, Ms. Sutherland Trevino. We can go off the record. Ms. Trevino, I saw that that was the second motion to revoke and you just would not stop using. You're gonna have to make a decision on what you want to do with your life. If you want to continue to be in and out of jails, the Bexar County Jail and other places, you can choose to live that way. Life is pretty simple. People make life so difficult. If you follow many of the rules, everything will be just fine.
That case was a circus and clearly not the last chapter. A little update, she was arrested again on July 2nd of 2025 for aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. Now sitting in jail on a $50,000 bond she can't make while waiting for indictment.
Okay.
If that doesn't scream lessons not learned, I don't know what does.
I'm gonna be honest, bro. Everything in me said that that's exactly how this was going to end, guys. I mean, listen, the level of disrespect, the tonality in her voice, like how she spoke, how she handled herself in public, specifically in a courtroom. I am not sure that anything other than what happened was going to happen here. Like, listen, there's sometimes you just cannot be nice to people, right? And specifically ones that display themselves as this, right? Specifically, you cannot be, right? There are some people that actually have the ability to be saved, okay? There's some. And it would be great if you can kind of catch them early before the culture of like the ghettos just completely obliterate their chances at life, okay? I'm telling you, because now we have a gigantic community of people who embody this exact energy, okay? While the judge is also part of the same skin color group, let's say. I am also, right? And I look at this and I'm just like, bro, this is terrible. I would never go to the ghetto. For what? It's fun? No, thank you. I like life, right? I love life, guys. Right? I don't want nothing to do with this. I'm definitely glad that there are more people starting to kind of realize this, because I've been saying this forever, bro. It is not a skin color thing. All right. I mean this to the depths of me, because, bro, if you go to some of these areas that this woman is obviously from, okay, if you go to some of these areas, you start to realize that they come in all types of skin colors, bro. It's not the color. It's definitely the garbage culture in all of the ghettos. Pick a ghetto. Do not embody that culture. They have completely agreed with themselves that they are going to be like the least law-abiding, let's just say this here, or palatable on earth. Okay, that's it. And it's not just the ghettos. It's also like trailer park culture. Also, is not too far off, bro. But it's not too far off. Just slightly different, bro. Right? And even like super deep redneck culture also is not solid neither, like that. Understand this here, and I'm saying this as someone who goes off road all the time. Okay, I camp all the time. I literally have an outdoor channel where I legitimately go outside in the mountains, start fires, etc. Cook outside, off-roading, all types of absolute crap. I build my own knives. Understand this here. So when I point out redneck culture can be a little bit weird sometimes, guys, it can be. All right. Because yeah, it can be, right? Not everyone, obviously, but all right. But I would say 90% of ghetto culture is terrible, though. Solid. Just period, just bad, bro. But either way, listen, guys, let me know in the comments what you guys think. If you guys are new here, please like and subscribe. In the meantime, I'll catch you guys later.